Hey everyone, it's Katie welcoming you back to Aromatic Fragrances International. In today's AFI DIY, I'll be making a super fun and trending product, scented wax bark. This product takes a fun spin on regular scented wax melts and can be made with just 2 simple ingredients. Let's take a look at the recipe. Before we begin, let's gather our materials. You'll need a hot plate, a double boiler, a whisk or glass stirring rods, mica powder or candle dye, cookie sheet with parchment paper, and a container to store your wax bark. To make 4 ounces of this product, you will need 88% or 3.52 ounces of soy wax, and 12% or 0.48 ounces of fragrance oil. For today's fragrance, I went to the AFI library and chose Violet Tulip. Smells amazing. Make sure you check the IFR limits on whatever fragrance you choose. Speaking of safety, don't forget to put on your gloves. So let's get started. First, pour your soy wax into your double boiler and place it on your hot plate. Turn your hot plate onto medium heat and allow the soy wax to begin melting. Once your wax is melted into liquid form, turn off your hot plate and remove the mixing bowl from the heat. Allow your wax to cool to about 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to add your fragrance. Gently pour or pipette your fragrance oil into the wax and stir until it is evenly distributed in the mixture. You can add in mica powder or candle dye during this step for a more appealing look. Now pour it onto your cookie sheet and tap so it gets rid of any bubbles. Once all these steps are completed, allow your wax to set and harden at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours. Once the wax is hardened, you can now break your wax into smaller pieces that will fit perfectly into your wax melter. Don't forget to pack it in an airtight container to maintain freshness. To use your scented wax bark, put your desired amount of product in and place it on the heat warmer and wait for the fresh aromas to enter your space. This product ended up costing us around $1 and you can sell it wholesale for 3 to 4 and sell it retail for 6 to 8. If you like this video, be sure to check out our AFI DIY on fragrance gel beads. Both of these products would be great alternatives to candles and fresheners. That's all I have for you today. I'm Katie and thanks for watching this AFI DIY. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!